Hi everyone, this is JanetLedan. Thank you so much for tuning in. And what I wanted to do today in this short video is just let you know exactly who I am and what I do from home that can possibly even help you guys, those who are looking to work from home and earn some extra income. And just to show you that I am a real person, I literally just wake up every morning and I, kick back, send traffic to my website, and voila, you can literally make money. 90% of the work is done for you with just sending out the traffic through to this funnel that I have set up. You just set it up and you just be on your way doing other things. So what I do want to do is show you that I am a real person. I'm going to go here on my Facebook account, let you know a little bit about myself as well as other people who are making some money. Okay, so let's just turn it over now to my Facebook page, and I'll let you see exactly what that is. Bear with me just a moment here. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is actually my Facebook page here, and once you go on to that, you'll see that this is my back page, this is my front page profile photo here. I posted something this morning saying, oh, I love waking up in the morning and setting up my own schedule and making money. How many of you guys want to do the same thing? What I found is so many people are wanting to make extra income. They just don't know how to do it from home, without slaving away their life, daily at a job that they completely hate. And so I can definitely show you how to do that here. You'll see that, I have pictures, of myself, my family, my husband, and my kids on here. I posted here, want to learn how to make extra income. This is the number. This is the website that you would go to. So I am a real person. Just in case, for most of you guys who might want to know, is this a scam? Is it, something that, I'm just trying to do here, trying to make money from people, online. I would not be showing myself online if I was a person looking to scam you. I posted here just about 2 days ago that I received, I actually had two calls. There was one that was the night before. I missed a call. It was my money call, from my business, and absolutely missed that on my phone. And then early in the morning at 8:25 in the morning, it was a great way to start my day. I received another call, money call. And so, it's just great to know that you can be in a business where your business is completely automated. It's ran on autopilot. You just send the traffic out there and you're making your sales, So, and with this opportunity that I have, it's 5 ways that you can get paid through this business. It's 5 different offers. So it's amazing. Once people go through the funnel that I have, they're offered 5 different things, and anything that they decide they want to join at, they can either join all of the 5 income streams, or they can just go ahead and join as many as possible. Okay, which I would highly advise to just go ahead and get set up for all 5 income streams, because you would be sending out just one link to people, and it just would make all the sense in the world if you're going to promote your link that you have the chances of getting paid on all 5 rather than just one or a few. Okay, here's another one that I posted on November 5th, also this week. That was actually the day before that last post that I posted that I showed you about, where I also got another money call again with the business. And I posted a video, just sharing a little bit more about the opportunity in here with you guys. And I asked, is 15 minutes of your time worth $300 a day? You can make a lot more than even $300 a day, but that's just kind of like a starting point that I wanted to, let people know that possibilities. So here's what I'll do now. I'll go to our Facebook page with other people who are also with this business, and they're also earning income as well, just to show you proof. This is a private Facebook group for those in the business. And here it is here. It's FunnelX. And here's a guy here, his Ezra Slayton. He mentioned that, 1 weekend and he was able to make $25. Like I said, there's starting amounts that are a little bit lower, but he was able, just 1 weekend, he made that amount. Here's someone else. She was able to make $1,000, looks like she made on this day. That was about 14 hours ago. Okay. Here's another person here who made a little over $1,000, because here's one post of $1,000. Here is another one, which is $100. So he made $1,100 on this day, which is about 18 hours ago. This is another guy. He wrote, boom, I finally made 11,000 with the business. Okay. In less than 37 days, he's made that amount. That is absolutely amazing. Very inspiring. And let's see, let me just see if there's anyone else here. Here's another person who made $100 on this day. Okay. So he said, well, a small topper of the day, but remember the machine works for you 24/7, which is right. You're basically just sending traffic to this funnel system that's already set up with the 5 income streams, and you're able to make money 24/7, or you're able to, advertise it online 24/7. And anyone who decides to join, it's basically on autopilot. Guys, if you guys are not a part of this, this program, I highly advise that you jump on it as soon as possible. You're able to. There is money to be made out there online. If you're curious and you're not sure what it is to do exactly, I can certainly send you the link. I'm going to also post the link in here for you as well. Look over it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll even throw in some bonuses for you, depending on the level that you're joining at. For example, if you're joining at perhaps like the $500 level, for example, then I can, perhaps pay for your first traffic. I campaign. I can go ahead and do that. I can also even send out free vacation. A free vacation to one of our top resorts. I'll give you a couple choices and you can just go ahead and select one as well. Okay. So let me know. Get back with me. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you're looking at this on YouTube. Okay. So that way you can also stay in touch with me if you go ahead and click on the bell button. If you click on that, you'll be able to watch some of my other videos that I upload in the future. With that, I'm also on Facebook, so you can find my information there as well. Like, share, and comment. Okay, so hopefully this was of value to you. You find that this is a way for you to make extra income. Maybe you've been dreading, just going to work every single day, just hating that, and you've been finding no way out, not knowing what other options you can take part of to make extra money. Now you know that there is something here that you can do. I will share that information with you below, and hopefully we can be in touch soon. Okay, hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.